Now moving towards our next question, which is question number 7, in which you have to draw in and about a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Describe a square. You have to draw a circle first and then draw a square. In and about means you have to draw a square inside a circle as well as you have to draw a square outside the circle. Okay, so these two things you have to do in question number 7. For this, we have to firstly draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. This is the compass of 4 centimeter radius. Mark it, place it like this and draw a circle. This is your circle of 4 centimeter. Firstly, I am drawing the square outside the circle. Okay, for this, first of all, you have to draw the diameters of this circle. Firstly, you can see this is the point where I have placed the compass. This is the center point O. Place your scale and draw a straight line to make the radius. In this way, the radius is completed. Next step, you have to make another radius, but make sure that both these diameters, I have made the diameter, make sure that both these diameters are perpendicular to each other. To make them perpendicular to each other, you have to use the compass, place it like this. Basically, you have to make angle of 90 degree. So it will become perpendicular to the given radius. This is the line perpendicular, and now I am drawing the other radius as well. You can see we got 4 points on the circumference of a circle. This point, this point, this and this point. Label these points as A, B, C or D. If you join A with B, B with C, C with D and D with A, you will get the square which is, you can say, inside the circle. Okay, you have to draw both the squares inside and outside of the circle. So I am going to draw it first, because in the process of drawing outside the square, we have done already to draw the circle inside. So I am drawing it first, then I will move towards the other. Okay, I hope so you will understand what I am saying and how I am drawing it. Join this point with this point, B with C, C with D, this is your square inside the circle. Now we have to work for outside the square. What I am going to do is I have to make the perpendicular bisectors at point B, A, D and C. Now look how I am doing it. To draw the square outside, you have to basically make tangents. For tangents, you have to make a line which just touch circle at one point. Okay, and it is also perpendicular. Tangent line is always perpendicular of 90 degrees, so you have to make 90 degrees. Place your compass at here at P point, draw an arc at point this, draw another arc which is of 60 degree, and then next arc like this, draw the perpendicular. This is the perpendicular I have drawn, and now what I'm going to do, I am joining the point B with this point, okay. Now place your compass at point B and draw an arc like this way to draw the perpendicular bisector. Place the compass at this point and then mark another arc, and then you have to take the center of both these arcs. This is your point, and you have to draw the point B with this point to make the B line. Keep in mind, change of line just touches the circle at one point. This is your point. Similarly, draw perpendicular bisector at point C and point A and draw two more tangents, so you will get the required square. Turn up your page like this, and now place your compass at point C and draw in the similar way. So here is your required square inside and outside of a circle. This blue is inside of the, and this is the outside square. Labeled it as P, Q, R and S. PQRS is outside the square and ABCD square is inside of the circle. Now move towards the steps of construction. These are your construction steps for question number 7, in which you have to draw a square inside and outside of a circle. Hope so you will understand it how to draw it. Thank you.